Before we discuss the decoder executable section, let's review a simplistic model of how network communications work. Devices on a network communicate by sending a sequence of frames that carry the communications information or data. Within a frame, the data is usually ordered by protocol layers. The decoder's job is to disassemble a protocol layer into easily readable information. It does this by acting as a pointer that moves along the data stream. The executable statements in the decoder's executable section do this work. The field statement is the primary workhorse of the executable section. It has 4 required components. The name that is unique. No other field statement may have the same name. In this example, field statement is named info_num. The size tells us how much data to collect beginning from the current pointer position. Our example is reading 1 byte of data, which is 8 bits. After this data is read, the pointer will move 8 bits down the data stream. The format tells the decoder how the data is to be displayed in the frame display window. Our example is going to display the 1 byte of data as a decimal number in the frame display. And finally, the detail tag tells the decoder what label to display with the data in the frame display decoder pane. Here, the 1 byte of data, displayed as a decimal number, will have a label of info number when it appears in the decoder pane. After a field statement completes its job, the next statement in the execution section starts doing its job. In other words, the statements are executed in the order that they appear. There are 17 optional components to the field statement. Refer to the Frontline DecoderScript manual for an explanation of these optional components. Finally, the last statement in the executable section and in the decoder is end main path. Now we begin learning how to create decoder extensions. This process will start with creating a simple decoder up next.